Hey, welcome back to Dynamic Conveyor. Today I want to talk to you about the little controller that we have on our conveyors that you're going to get with every single conveyor. It's a cool little controller, but it's got so many different features in it. There's all sorts of different functions and everything in it. But today I'm going to specifically tell you about if you have a metal detector module in your conveyor, how you can program this thing to behave the way you'd like it to behave. Right now, from the factory, let's just say, the way this conveyor is configured is once this metal detector detects metal, conveyor will stop. You'll come back over here, you'll hit your keyed switch, and you'll notice you'll see an alarm 46, right? Well, you're like, how come my conveyor won't come back on when I go to reset? Well, that's because you have to sort of reprogram some little parameters inside of this controller. So the easiest thing to do is take off this bezel switch. The only tools you're going to need for this job are a pair of reading glasses. And then you'll come on down and you'll notice you've got two little buttons up here. This one up here is mode, and this one over here is function. We're going to use mode, we're going to use function, and we're also going to use this little wheel right in the middle to toggle things off and on. So I can turn my conveyor off, and once that 0 shows up, you see I just switched the power off, so this little 0 shows up. I'll come over here to mode, and I'm going to press this 3 times. What I want to do is, here's what I'm trying to achieve right now. I want to have this, when I throw this switch, my conveyor comes back on, right? So that's what I'm up to. 1, 2, 3. I'm in this little thing, PAR parameters. Come over here to function, push this 4 times, 3, 4. Now I'm in another mode, PAL. I'll come down here and I can push this center button, and you'll see it says on. Well, I want to roll it to off. I can scroll between off and on, but I want it on off. So once I got it on off, I'll push it again. It'll blink a couple times. Come back over here and hit this twice. This little mode key, 1, 2, and it says on or something. And come over here to function, push it 1 time. Now I'm back to 0, see? Now I can put my plate back on here, turn my conveyor on. It's running again. Now when it detects metal and stops itself, like it just did, now all I have to do is hit my reset on my key and it'll start back up. I'm not getting that alarm 46 anymore. But I'm telling you, there's so many different things you can do with this controller. It's a cool little controller. It's all in the manual here, but we're trying to put together some helpful videos for certain things that happen out in the field. Thank you. Give us a call. We'll help you out.